This video is for our Chapter 6 discussion on God terms, devil terms, and charismatic terms in general. This can be found on page 169 through 171 of our book. So right off the bat, God terms are an expression about which all other expressions are ranked subordinate, and that can be found on page 169. So we were told to answer what our top three God terms and devil terms are. My top three God terms would be family, hardworking, and intelligence. And the devil terms are the exact opposite. They're terms of repulsion and express negative values, and that can be found on page 170 of our book. So my top three devil terms would be death, disaster, and obesity. And then in the second part of our discussion, we were told to analyze and think about what our parents' top three God terms and our parents' top three devil terms would be. And I can think of a lot right off the bat, so it's hard to narrow down the decision to peg on three. But I would think that my parents' top three God terms would be savings, blessings, and retirement. And then on the opposite side of that, my parents' top three devil terms would be recession, unemployment, and death. The last part of our discussion, we were told to answer what God terms would be used in asking our parents to finance an expensive internship and live in London, a very expensive city. So we want to show how the internship can better put us ahead of others along with a higher potential salary. And I could think of a lot of terms that my parents might want to hear from me regarding how this internship would be good for me. And the four terms that I pegged it down to would be passionate, because I want to love what I'm doing. Opportunistic, meaning that it's a great opportunity to further me. Employable, makes me more marketable to employers. Superior, me being ahead of my competition. And rewarding, making me feel good about what I've accomplished over the time that I've been there. And so, in the end, in that question, it's all about wanting our future to be brighter and asking our parents for the help in getting that started.